let's talk about the stimulus check as of today, Monday, April 6th. The stimulus check money is supposed to go out next week by direct deposit. Let's see if it happens. If you are on Social Security benefits, if you are receiving SSDI or SSI, so Social Security benefit recipients, you do not need to file a tax return. The IRS has your information on file, so they will get you your stimulus check money. No tax return is required. If you have not filed your 2018 or your 2019 tax return, and you are not a recipient of Social Security benefits, then you need to file your tax return in order to receive your stimulus check money. Or you need to register for the stimulus check money. So I'm not being sponsored to say this. This is all over the news. It's plastered everywhere. TurboTax, Intuit TurboTax has partnered with the IRS, and they are creating, and they've already created, I'll leave the link below, they've created a web page for you to register for your stimulus check money. All you got to do is go to their website, put in your information, and you are registered to get your stimulus check money. This is if you have not filed your 2018 or your 2019 tax return. So if you do that, you don't even need to file your 2018 or 2019 tax return. So there you go. If you have filed your 2018 or your 2019 tax return, 2018 and or 2019 tax return, and you have not provided your banking information, then that's a problem, because they're going to cut you a physical check for your stimulus check, and that can take up to 5 months. So what you want to do is input your banking information with the IRS when they create their portal on the IRS website. That's going to launch late April or early May. Once they have that website ready, go there and input your banking information. Again, this is on the official IRS website. Do that so then you would get direct deposited your stimulus check money rather than you waiting up to 5 months to get your stimulus check. The stimulus check is a tax rebate on your 2020 tax return. Therefore, this stimulus check and the stimulus check money, it's not taxable income. And no, the stimulus check money is not an advance of your 2020 tax refund. Now, I'm a tax guy, so I'm going to have to explain this. And a lot of times, I don't even intro. I'm a CPA, I'm a certified public accountant, and I have my own tax practice. So a lot of people are asking, is this going to reduce my refund that I get in 2020? No, it's not. This is how it works. Let's say that every year you get a $2,000 refund. You got a $2,000 refund last year, you got a $2,000 refund this year, and next year on your 2020 tax return that you're going to complete in 2021, you're expecting a $2,000 tax return, your tax refund on your tax return again. If that's the case, the $1,200 stimulus check that you're going to receive, it's not going to reduce your $2,000 refund to $800. So it's not like it's stealing from there. It's not like it's reducing or chipping away at that refund. Instead, it's more like you would get the $2,000 refund that you normally are accustomed to getting, and on top, you get an additional $1,200. And that additional $1,200 amount is being advanced to you right now as your stimulus check. So then when you go to file your 2020 tax return, you would get the normal $2,000 refund that you're expecting as you were normally accustomed to getting. I hope that makes sense. This ties in with my next point. If you do not receive that stimulus check or that stimulus check money for whatever reason, it's not like you lose it. It's going to be reflected on your 2020 tax return that you're going to complete in early 2021. If that's the case, then you'll have that stimulus check money waiting for you on that tax return. So it would just be built into your 2020 tax return. You don't lose it. It's just unfortunate that you'd have to wait that long to get that money, because obviously you want that money now. But you don't lose it. It'll be there waiting for you on your 2020 tax return that you're going to file in 2021. This leads into my next point, that if you get the stimulus check or the stimulus check money when you should not have because you're disqualified, you're going to end up paying it back. So how does this happen? What do I mean? The stimulus check, whether you qualify or not, is based on your 2019 tax return data. Let's say for 2019, you made too much money and you are disqualified. However, you did not file your 2019 tax return. So the IRS, they don't see that you're disqualified because you haven't filed your tax return. So they're going to look at your 2018 tax return and they're going to say, based off your income from 2018, if it's lower, then they're going to say, okay, you qualify. They're going to cut you a check. You're going to get the stimulus check money. When you go do your 2019 tax return and you file it, the IRS is going to know that, oh, whoops, we gave this person the stimulus check money based off their 2018 data, but based off their 2019 data, they don't qualify. They're disqualified. If that's the case, in other words, if you get the stimulus check money when you are disqualified and you should have never received it, then you will be paying that back, which is unfortunate, on your 2020 tax return that you're going to file a year from now in 2021. I think that's about it. That should be my last video about the stimulus check because I'm stimulus checked out. Get it? But I'm happy to close the book on this one. And I'm looking forward to closing the books on the forgivable loans in the stimulus package, the EDL loan, the forgivable loan, the Paycheck Protection Program, the PPP loan. And I'm looking forward to closing the books on the sick credits, on the family leave credits, and the employee retention credits. We already have videos walking through all the details about those, but I'm looking forward to putting the finishing touches on each and every one of those programs. Thank you so much. Please stay safe and healthy. Please subscribe. Until next time, take care.